I will show you a simple method on how to recover your deleted Gmail account. Now, for any reasons you deleted your account, you can still recover it back from the method I'm about to share with you. And if you find this guide useful, leave a like, share and subscribe. With that being said, let's dive in. Now the first thing you need to do is to open your Gmail application and make sure you signed in to any account. Now the next step is to click on that profile icon here at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select add another account here at the bottom. Then select Google. So now land on the sign in page. Now here guys, submit the email address that you want to recover. Then click on next. As you can see, this account was deleted. Now for you to proceed, click on next here at the bottom. Now the next step is to enter your password. Then click on next. Now you can see welcome here at the top. Now click on I agree button. So by doing that, automatically you'll have now recovered your deleted Google account. So if you find this guide useful, leave a like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video.